Alright you guys, we just made a vacuum video with our new SCORP tripod thingy, gimbal, the SCORP gimbal, and we used a tracker on it. And we're making another video right now with the SCORP gimbal again, but instead of using tracking this time, we've pulled the remote control handle off, and Joe's actually sitting out of the room, and he's going to control the whole video through a monitor and the remote control handle. So what we're hoping to do is see how this turns out, and you know what it looks like whenever you don't have to hold the gimbal, but you control the gimbal with remote control. So anyway, are you ready to get the camera on the Dyson and stuff, Joe?
Yeah.
Okay, so Joe's going to move it around and do some trial and error, so you'll see the vacuum, but there'll be some, you know, we'll see what the video comes out like. So your guess is as good as mine right now. So here we go. Raise it up so it's not over. I just have to get my hair on my face. But we're going to do another pass backwards. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video. I don't know how Joe's doing, but I think he's doing good. He's looking at a monitor. So, but anyway, here goes part 2. Okay, for those of you...
Well, I'm just going to go around in a circle once.
Okay, Joe's going on a merry-go-round here. Merry goes round and round. Merry goes round and round.
There's our other gimbal right there. The DJI. And just to show you, there's no way I could really stand where the gimbal's at. There's no room.
Yeah, that pretty much seals the deal. Okay, come on over here.
This little trick is like running an RC car.
It's like running an RC car, except there's no wheel.
You're going the opposite
It's all joystick. But yeah. Now, for those of you who didn't see the first video, you're not going to watch it. Whatever. Here's the dust collection. It's not too much, but our carpets are super kept up, so you can't expect big things from our carpet vacuums. Now, I had someone ask me a while back. Hey, are you gonna get my face for radio on the video while I talk? Anyway, I had someone a while back ask me, what kind of pattern do I do when I vacuum? And here's the deal. I don't do a random pattern. I kind of do, but what I do is I just vacuum. And if I think something's not vacuumed, I keep going over it. If I look down and see dust in the dustbin after I've emptied the dustbin, I keep going over. I don't really follow a pattern. I go all over the place. When I was young, I worked for a janitorial service when I was like 18, 17, whatever, 19. And the way they taught you to vacuum was to just start in the middle of the room and just work your way all the way around. And you kind of slung, we had sanitaries, you kind of slung the vacuums as you went, and you did a room like in 40 seconds. They didn't want you in there 10 minutes doing a detailed vacuum. But the places were vacuumed every night, and it was commercial accounts, so it didn't matter. But I kind of vacuum very, I don't have a random pattern. I'm real sporadic all over the place how I do it. But I just do it so I don't see any sign of anything wrong in the bin or on the carpet. And that's my style. So if you vacuum different, that's fine. But that's kind of how I do it. But I do a good vacuuming. And vacuum like this, it's not going to let you down. But you got anything to add from across the room? You want to scream something?
No, that's good.
Okay, then that's it for the day. And we'll see you soon because we'll put out some more videos right away.